Hey, this is Puneet back again, and in this video, we're gonna learn a smart formula to get the max value based on a condition. So let's get started. All right, so my whole idea here is to get the name of the salesperson who has done the highest sale in the laptop or any other category. But for now, I'm gonna go with the laptop category, the product laptop. So what I'll do, I'll use the max X function first, and in the max range, I'm gonna specify the total sales. And in the criteria range, I'm going to specify the product. And in the criteria, I'm going to enter laptop. So this way I get the highest sale that has been made by anyone in the laptop category, and that is 385,000. Now, instead of this amount, I need the name of the person who has done this sale. So what I'll do, I'll use the XLOOKUP function and use this sales amount as a lookup value and specify the salesperson's column as the lookup array and then return array. Now what I'll do, I'll use the XLOOKUP function and use this sales amount as a lookup value, and then I'm going to use lookup array from the total sales column. And after that, I'm going to specify the salesperson's column for return array. If not found, then blank, and match mode is exact match. And the moment I hit enter, I get the name of the salesperson who has done the highest sale in the laptop category. So to get everything in a single cell with a single formula, I'm going to use max F within the XLOOKUP function as a lookup value. And here I have the name of the person who has done the highest sale in the laptop category. But this formula works amazingly, but there's one problem that you might face when you have two salesperson or more than one salesperson with the same total sales. Now in that case, we need to write a different formula. So let me show you how you can write that formula as well. So first of all, again, I'm going to enter the maxF function, go to the max range and criteria range, that is the product column and the laptop. And let me change it from here and hit enter. So I get the same amount here as well. Now what I'll do, instead of using XLOOKUP, I'm going to use the filter function. Just let me just move this result from here to here. And now I'm going to use the filter function, specify the array that I have the entire data, and then in the include argument, I'm going to specify the total sales column, and the condition is the highest sale that has been made by anyone. So if the same sale has been made by more than one, then I'll get data for all those salesperson, all those people. And now when I close and hit enter, I get data for the salesperson who have done. I get data for the salesperson who has done the highest sale. But if I copy this sales amount and paste it somewhere else, let's say for this salesperson, Emily Carter, you can see I get data for Emily Carter as well. So now the next thing is to only get the name and the total sale. So for this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this choose calls. Let me just edit here. So I'm going to use this choose calls function. And here it asks me the array that I already have from the filter function. And then it asks me for the column number that I want to have. So I want to have two columns, and one is the name column and one is the total sales column. So the name column is the third column and total sale column is the seventh column. So I'm going to enter 3 and 7 here and hit enter to get the name and the total sales. And now let me just copy the max X function from here and enter it. And you can see I have name of both of the salespersons with the highest sale in the laptop category. So you can use any of these two formulas that I have shared according to your need. But the second formula is way more flexible and help you if you have more than one person with the same sales amount.